Welcome to the video on the Clean Green Energy Mission, Project P-001. This video covers the feasibility and investment strategy for the 200 megawatt round-the-clock, or RTC, firm RE hybrid plant located in Gudha Malani Tehsil, Barmer, Rajasthan. Project P-001 integrates solar, wind, and BESS to deliver a 200 megawatt firm power contract with a 22.26% internal rate of return. Financially, it boasts a net present value of 59.06 billion INR and a 4.49-year payback period. The ESG impact includes an annual CO2 reduction of 1.61 million tons. The system combines 65% solar and 35% wind generation. The battery energy storage system, with 200 megawatts/1613 megawatt-hour capacity, smooths the intermittent inputs. A safety valve allows grid import capped at 5%, ensuring consistent 200 megawatt dispatch and a 90% demand fulfillment ratio. Key project constraints include a target contract power of 200 megawatts and a 90% DFR threshold. Grid import limits are set at a maximum of 50 megawatts, or 5% of total energy. The system is designed for a 25-year plant life with a 12-month construction timeline. The asset configuration matrix details the components. The solar PV plant has a DC capacity of 715.22 megawatts, while the wind energy generator plant is 156 megawatts. The battery energy storage system offers 200 megawatts/1613 megawatt hours with a 90% round-trip efficiency. The site's resource potential shows an average global horizontal irradiance of 211.73 watts per meter squared. The wind resource indicates an average coefficient of performance of 0.296. The project is located in Gudha Malani Tehsil, Barmer, Rajasthan. Total gross available energy is 1,850.21 million kilowatt-hours, with solar contributing 1,199.85 mkWh and wind 650.36 mkWh. The BESS successfully smooths raw generation into a firm 200 megawatt RTC output by absorbing daytime peaks and discharging during nighttime troughs. The total project area is 4,798.84 hectares. The wind plant requires the largest area, while the solar plant is high density. The BESS plant area is highly concentrated. Total real estate acquisition cost is 1,482.27 million INR. The total installed cost is 46.85 billion INR. The largest allocations are to the solar PV plant at 38.8% of CapEx, the wind plant at 27.7%, and the BESS plant at 26.7%. The project achieves an annual CO2e reduction of over 1.6 million tons, equivalent to removing 376,534 petrol cars annually. This reduction creates a new revenue stream of 1.52 billion INR per year through carbon credit monetization. The capital structure is 70% debt and 30% equity, totaling 48.54 billion INR. Operational expenses, or O&M, include a base cost of 600 INR per kilowatt for solar and 1,200 INR per kilowatt for wind, plus a system insurance premium. The base cost, or LCOE, is 4.03 Indian rupees per kilowatt hour, with an RTC sale price of 5.06 Indian rupees per kilowatt hour. This yields a profit margin of 1.03 Indian rupees per kilowatt hour, which is protected by a 2% annual sale price escalation. The project's financial metrics include an internal rate of return of 22.26% and a net present value of 59,065 million INR. The project reaches break-even in 4.49 years, resulting in strong long-term enterprise value. Risk mitigation is confirmed by the debt service coverage ratio, which averages 2.22 and maintains a minimum of 1.51. This represents a greater than 50% buffer above the 1.0 break-even threshold, guaranteeing debt safety. In conclusion, Technical feasibility, ESG impact, and financial viability are all confirmed. Project P001 is structurally sound, insulated from debt risk, and positioned for extraordinary returns. Board approval is recommended for the next steps. This concludes the video on Project P-001. We encourage you to experience real engineering and join the movement for energy transition. You can subscribe for more information, request a live demo, or take a product tour using the links below.